Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the action button open any app on your iPhone. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To customize the action button, first open the settings app and then scroll down and choose action button from the list. On this page, scroll through until you are on the option called shortcut. Now tap on the current option. Under where it says shortcut, it may be the current shortcut, or it may say something like add shortcut. On here, select the option called open app in the top section. You can now scroll down and select the app you want to be the shortcut. With it selected, you can test it out by holding the action button rather than pressing to open the app. That's how to make the action button open any app on your iPhone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.